So I had called my doctor about, facing allergies and having a cough and feeling breathless sometimes. So he told me that I really need to steam 3 to 4 times a day. And I have this steamer from Dr. Trust, I think that's the company, and I really like it because it's super handy. And here's one tip that I use with this type of water dispenser. And every time I feel like I'm getting an allergy or I feel like I'm getting a cough, I take this pure tea tree oil, and I know that this is pure because I've seen how they make it, and I put a few drops of tea tree essential oil into this water dispenser. So I'm just going to open it a little, put a few drops in. Shake it a little. And yeah, as I showed you, this wonderful oil, this migraine relief blend, it's so good to just calm the senses and unclog the sinuses and relieve any headache. It comes in this 10 ml bottle and it's got rosemary and eucalyptus, and it says that roll on your pulse points, behind the ear and on your forehead, and inhale the fragrance. So the pulse points are here. It has such a natural, like, herbal smell, like Vicks but nicer. And then I'm going to roll it behind my ear. It feels so good, and you can smell the rosemary and the eucalyptus, and it has this nice roll-on tip. So this is again an effective product that you can carry. It's very travel friendly. The tea is almost getting ready, and it's got such a lovely color from the hibiscus. Now on to a little Ayurvedic secret that we have made at Anahata, Swastham. Swastham is an amazing drink that I have every night. I'm not going to make it now because I have it at night, but it is this mix of Ayurvedic powders and herbs in the right quantity for enhanced health, which means that better immunity, better chances for the gut biome to be healthy, good skin, good hair, better weight management, and it has ashwagandha, turmeric, giloy, mint, mulethi, pepper and tulsi in quantities that even children and adults can have, and it's also going to induce great sleep. So I generally take about 1 spoon of this, and I don't like milk, so I take some coconut milk. This is the Dabur homemade coconut milk that I have, and I make like a drink and I drink it. It tastes yum, it tastes like an herbal drink, and it's so soothing. So these are all of the things you can try for better immunity, for fighting a cough, for any allergies that might need to be calmed down. And subscribe, stay tuned, and thank you for watching.